In this video, we'll see how to make our Desi style hot cappuccino with a twist. In a bowl, take 3 tablespoons instant coffee powder and then add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, and this is going to add a slightly chocolatey taste to our hot cappuccino. Half cup sugar. Do not use powdered sugar. I'm using a hand whisk. You can also use electric beater or a fork. Now it's time to add water, so add little water at a time. Total quantity of water which we're going to use is 4 tablespoons, but add little at a time. The tip here is to add little at a time because this will reduce your whisking time. If you add all the water in one go, you would still be able to whip this mixture, but since we're using hand whisk, it would make it difficult for you to whisk if you add all the water together. At this stage, add the remaining water. When I was in my engineering college hostel, we used to take a little amount of coffee sugar in a steel glass, put a little water, whisk it up with a spoon or a fork, and then add water or milk depending on availability. You can also follow this recipe for 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and directly whip it up in your steel glass or any glass which you have. If you look at this coffee mixture, it very much looks like a chocolate or coffee whipped cream, and this is what we are looking for. Look at the consistency. Now I'm adding a pinch of salt, a little bit. This will enhance the flavor of cocoa powder. Again, give it a mix. That's it. This is ready. And for the hot cappuccino, of course, we need some hot milk. So heat up some milk. Now take some of this whipped coffee in your mug or glass. Pour in some hot milk. With this amount of whipped coffee, you can make 3 such mugs full of hot cappuccino. Give it a gentle mix, do not overdo it. And then finally top it up with a little bit of the whipped coffee. Do not add too much of whipped coffee on the top, otherwise it will be very strong in taste. And our Desi style hot cappuccino is ready. Enjoy!